we had made these announcements on 12th of October, largely talking about the festival advance which was going to be given as a actual break away from the recommendations of the Pay Commission. We brought back the festival advance just this one time so that people get money in their hands to spend. SBI is issuing what is called the Utsav cards, through which festival advance is being given. Good progress is being made there. LTC voucher scheme was also launched for the central government, and many of these employees who are unable to travel because of the given conditions were given the option, instead of traveling they could spend that money in buying some things, and in that also we are seeing a lot of progress. Other than that, Atmanirbhar Bharat 2.0 package also spoke about 25,000 crores in addition being provided over and above the BE for capital expenditure, primarily aiming at Ministry of Road Transport and also Ministry of Defence. That is also being well received by both the ministries, and they are taking a lot of steps forward. And the last one which I'll refer here is 11 states have been sanctioned 3,621 crores as interest-free loans towards capital expenditure. You'll remember that we had announced this. 11 states have already taken 3,621 crores. Just 1 minute here. I want to give an additional input that this 3,621 crores is not inclusive of what Bihar proposes to do, because Bihar was going through the election code of conduct and other things. They had not said. You may add another about 450 crores to that amount, which will be spent by Bihar for its own capital expenditure. Over and above this, which I think we have not mentioned here, which is only right that we have not mentioned it here, is income tax refunds, which even then I did say, and even now I'm saying, that is people's own money, taxpayers' own money. But why am I including it saying here? Refunds have gone in a big way to the people, because in time, if they get the money, the refund, it will help them. 1,32,800 crores have gone as refunds to nearly 39.7 lakh assessees. It's their money. I'm not making a claim to that. But refund, instead of sitting with us for whatever reason, which is not right, without any delay, has been given to the tax assessees in time. 1,32,800 crores.
आत्मनिर्भर भारत 2.0 इसकी घोषणा 12 अक्टूबर को की गई थी, जिसमें 14वें वित्त आयोग में जो सुविधा नहीं थी कि आपको किसी त्योहारों के समय एडवांस देना है, उसमें भी एक बार के लिए छूट देकर फेस्टिवल एडवांस देने की शुरुआत की, और एलटीसी वाउचर स्कीम लेकर आए थे। उसमें भी बहुत प्रगति हुई है, और एसबीआई ने उत्सव कार्ड लॉन्च किया है, जिसका सरकारी कर्मचारी लाभ उठा रहे हैं। इसके अलावा पूंजीगत व्यय के लिए 25,000 करोड़ रुपया सड़क परिवहन मंत्रालय को और रक्षा मंत्रालय को दिया गया है, जिसपे भी आगे बहुत अच्छे कदम उठाए गए हैं। ये भी एक उस दिशा में काम किया गया था। इसके अलावा जो 11 राज्यों को 3,621 करोड़ रुपया बगैर ब्याज के ऋण दिया गया है, ताकि वो अपना कैपिटल एक्सपेंडिचर कर सकें, पूंजीगत व्यय कर सकें। ये 11 राज्यों को अब तक दिया जा चुका है। बिहार क्योंकि चुनाव में था, इसलिए उनका निर्णय इसके बाद आएगा, लेकिन कुल मिलाकर इसमें भी सभी राज्यों को बहुत लाभ मिलेगा, और इसका लाभ भी उनको मिलेगा। जैसा माननीय वित्त मंत्री जी ने कहा कि इनकम टैक्स रिफंड है तो जनता का पैसा, करदाताओं का पैसा, लेकिन इस महामारी के समय उनको सही समय पर या समय से पहले वो पैसा मिले, तो लगभग 1,32,800 करोड़ रुपया अब तक 39,70,000 लोगों को ये पैसा वापस मिल चुका है। 1,32,800 करोड़ रुपया। तो ये अपने आप में एक इनकम टैक्स डिपार्टमेंट ने अपनी ओर से तेजी से काम किया है ताकि लोगों के पास धन की कमी ना हो।